What is up, guys? We're out here today. We're gonna change the Outlander's oil. It's the 850 XT 2018. First of all, I've already took off all these plastics because I was doing some deep cleaning earlier. But all you gotta do to take this stuff off, you just pop your seat off. Then the part that is right here, you just pull up on it and it comes right off. There's nothing holding it on really. The side pieces, you do have a screw up under there. It's kind of hard to get to. And then you have some rivets. I believe there's one right there. There's one behind in the fender well. And then there's one on the front. And then they just slide off, and it's completely the same on the other side. Pretty much all the tools you're gonna need is a 17mm wrench to take your plug out, and then you'll use a T30 to take your oil filter out. That's for the cover. It's kind of hard to get to, but if you try, you can get it off. So we're gonna get to it. I went with this oil from a dealer. It's XPS Lubricants. Comes with the full kit, your oil filter, your O-ring, and your washers. Comes with everything you need to get the job done. Now, we're gonna get after it. Okay, your oil drain plug is gonna be up in there. It's gonna be a 17mm. We'll go ahead and break that thing. Alright guys, we broke the bolt, letting the oil drain out. We're gonna go ahead and take the filter off now. Alright guys, the only one you're probably going to have a little bit of trouble with is that one. You'll just have to get a little long extension on the bottom, and you got that top one. Then on my bike, I've got these covers off of here from my snorkel kit, and I just cut them off. But if you do have that, it'll probably be easier to take it off so you can get to the last bolt over there, and then you'll have it off. Now that we got our cover off, we'll be replacing the O-ring on here. Even if it don't look like it need it, we're still going to change it anyways. And on the oil filter, when you take it out, make sure you remember which way you take it out and don't put it on the wrong way, because it would severely make you have a horrible day. But yeah, we're going to pull this on out, if I can get my hand up in there. And as you can see, it's a little dirty. So we're gonna swap that thing out for a new one. Alright, on your oil filter cover, just pull this one off. And what you want to do with this, you just chunk it. And then put your new one on. I believe I can do this one-handed, maybe not. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's popping off. We'll roll it on down there so it don't pop back off again. And you got that part. And you want to go get your oil drain plug. You replace these. Here's your oil drain plug. You're just going to take the old one off, chunk it too, and put the new one on. Before I put it on, there's a magnet on the inside of it that catches metal shavings. I'm going to clean all those little shavings out of there with some carb cleaner. See if I can't get it out. So now that you got that cleaned off, just put the new one back on there and screw it back in. Alright, now we're going to take our new oil filter. You're going to want to put it this side in, the side with the rubber seal. Not that side, this side. And once again, let's see if I can get this in there with one hand. And that'll do it. Now we're just going to put our cover back on. I'm not going to video that because I can't do it one-handed. And then we'll get this thing filled up with some more new oil. Alright guys, after you filled your oil up, you just want to fill it and keep checking it till it gets to the top line up there. That's full. And then, you know, if you're out riding and you're checking it any other time, it could be anywhere between those two lines. That's just normal operating temperatures. But yeah, just get it filled up to that top line. Make sure it's there. And you are finished. Alright guys, once you get done changing your oil, you want to remove the maintenance required screen. First, you're going to put your headlights on high beam. You'll turn your gas on. You'll hit start. Once you hit start, make sure that your bike's on the odometer screen that shows your miles. Once it goes through that, then it'll say performance key or whatever key you got in it, and then it'll say odometer. You'll hold this button down, turn your lights off and on 3 times, ending with it being back in high beam, and it'll go off. I've already cleared mine, so it's not going off, but your screen will turn off, and once it does, you'll turn it back on and you'll notice that it's gone. You don't have to get the dealer to redo it or anything. You can do it yourself. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring that bell. It helps out so much. We'll see y'all in the next one, guys.